here at Visual Art Mississauga. It's a snowy day, but it's beautiful outside. And we're so excited because in a few hours, we're gonna hold a in-person meeting as well as the live Zoom meeting together here to celebrate the World Watercolour Day from our society, IWS Canada. Happy Watercolor Day.
And greetings from Mexico, waiting here for the trip to Coyoacan we're having on the 29th. I'll be hosting the Zoom live chat while Luan does it live in the studio at Visual Arts Mississauga. Hope everyone has a wonderful World Watercolor Day and see you on Zoom.